Welcome to the Royal Veterinary College. Established in 1791, the RVC was the first English-speaking veterinary school in the world.
Our Camden campus is where veterinary medicine students will spend the first 2 years of their course. Veterinary Gateway students will also spend their time here, as well as the first year of the Graduate Accelerated programme.
Biological science students also study at the Camden campus throughout their course. All our students across all courses are welcome to the Camden campus and to use our facilities throughout their time at RVC.
Today, we're going to be showing you around Camden campus.
Depending on what course you're on, you'll be taught in a range of different ways. This can include lectures, seminars, small group teaching, group work and DL sessions, practical classes such as in the lab or the dissection room, as well as working with animals and on your placements.
When doing independent research, you'll have access to our libraries. All the books you need for your course will be available here. But if you can't find what you're looking for, you'll have access to thousands of ebooks on our online resources.
So this is our dissection room. You will find yourself in here frequently during your time on this campus. A key part of our courses is the practical experience that you gain that will prepare you for your career once you've graduated.
This is our main teaching lab where we do some of our practical classes such as looking at histology slides and blood smears. Let's take a look inside.
And this is our fascinating anatomy museum, where we have a treasure trove of veterinary history and animal anatomy that can be found here. We've even got the skeleton that the hippogriff from Harry Potter was based on.
Welcome to the Lightwell. This is one of the only places in London that you can have lunch with an elephant skeleton. The pod, which is above us, is a great place to socialise and discuss work in between lectures.
There are a large number of places available on our on-campus student halls, as well as off-campus accommodation. This is one of our rooms at College Grove, just under a minute's walk from campus.
The Learning and Wellbeing Services includes the Advice Centre, Study Skills Support and Career Service. Our teams offer our students with impartial advice, information and support.
Hi, come and sit down.
And our on-campus gym facilities include weight and cardio machines, as well as a dance and aerobic studio where we run regular classes. And the best part about it, it's free for our students to use.
And finally, after a long hard day, what better way than to come to the Hack Suite to unwind? So this is the end of our tour, but we look forward to seeing you on campus soon. Hi guys, you alright?